He read one article, watched one YouTube video, and now he knows everything. Sound familiar? This is the Dunning Kruger Effect, and it affects almost everyone. Psychologists David Dunning and Justin Kruger discovered this pattern. The less you know, the more confident you feel. The more you know, the more you realize you don't know. At the peak of confidence, you think you have reached the top. You do not even see how much you do not know yet. Then you encounter real experts, real complexity, and you fall into the valley of humility, suddenly realizing how little you actually knew. Here is the twist. The smartest people in the room are often the most uncertain, because they know exactly how much they do not know. We have all done it. One podcast episode makes us a nutrition expert. One article makes us an economist. Sound familiar? It happens because you cannot know what you do not know yet. Your blind spots are invisible to you by definition. This is why you think you are smarter than you are. The antidote is intellectual humility. Replace I know with I think I know, but I could be wrong. If you want to avoid the Dunning Kruger effect, those 6 words change everything. True confidence is quiet. It does not need to announce itself. The more you genuinely learn, the more comfortable you become with not knowing everything. The smartest people know they do not know. Which stage of the curve are you on right now? Subscribe. More every week.